Welcome to English 202, Introduction to Technical Communication. My name is Chauntain Shields and I am your instructor for this online course. As you can see here on our first slide, this is a picture of our book. It's Technical Communication 11th edition by Mike Markel. If you do not have the 11th edition, please let me know. The material in the older versions is very similar, but the ordering is a little different. So I want to make sure that we're all on the same page with where we're at in the book. I'm just going to go over a few things here. I'm going to introduce myself and how you can contact me. I'm going to talk briefly about the syllabus, go over our class expectations, what assignments you have to look forward to as far as independent and group, and what's going to be on Blackboard, and then also talk about technology and applications that you should have access to. So a little bit about me. My name is Chauntain Shields, like I said. You can call me Professor Shields, Mrs. Shields. I'm totally okay with any of those as long as it has the formal title along with it. Okay. You can contact me through my Boise State email. You can call or text me by my phone number. You can reach me during virtual hours on Mondays and Wednesdays from 1:30 to 2:30, or you can drop by my office in the Liberal Arts Building, room 120A, on Mondays and Wednesdays from 1:30 to 2:30. The syllabus. Read your syllabus. It's super important. It has how to name your assignments in it, how to submit your assignments, and my policy on late work. My policy on late work is don't be late. Which I'm sure that every professor has, but read the syllabus. It's super important. There will be another video about the syllabus here soon, so just hang in there. The class expectations. You have to have access to your book. Make sure you have it. Electronic or regular version, does not matter. Just make sure you have it. You're going to need it for all of your quizzes and assignments. You have to have some kind of computer. If you do not have one, you can use the one at the school in the labs, or you can use one at the library. Just make sure that you have reliable access to it. You're going to need to use Microsoft Word. The majority of businesses in the United States use Microsoft Word for their computing. So it's really important that you understand how to use Word, and we will have some assignments that talk about specific features of Word. So, in short, use Microsoft Word. You need to have access to email. If you do not use your Bronco email, you've got to let me know so I can get the emails I send out to the appropriate locations. You definitely have to have access to Blackboard. If this is your first time taking an online class, please let me know so that way I can help you navigate Blackboard and how to use it to its fullest potential. And then, of course, you have to have access to the apps that we'll be using in the class. I'll go over those more in detail later. One thing that I am a big stickler about is having respect in the classroom. You need to be respectful towards me, towards your classmates, and even towards yourself. You need to show that you care about what you're doing and that other people do matter. So just be respectful, be kind and courteous, and understand that we're all in the same boat. We're all working together here. Also, I expect integrity. It's easy to plagiarize. Don't do it. If you borrow something from another source, make sure you cite that source. It's super important. Nothing will make your grade go down faster than showing a lack of integrity. Your assignments. You have 8 assignments and 7 discussion board assignments. You have weekly quizzes, and collaboration is mandatory. We will have 3 total assignments where we'll be doing something in collaboration with someone else. One assignment is going to be with my face-to-face class, and the other assignment is going to be end of semester major project where you work with another student in your class. So there will be more information about that as we get closer to those assignments. The evaluations that you do for the collaborative assignments at the end of the semester are going to be super important. So just be aware that you're not only going to be judging yourself, you're going to be judging other people. Make sure you read all of the directions and submit your assignments correctly. And then use your time wisely. You are in a unique position where you're online. You don't have somebody reminding you to do your work every day. So budget yourself some time to do your work. So for your first week, this is what you have due. I need that technical writing contract. It's a very simple 50 easy points. Make sure you get it to me. Your Meet Me profile. Again, another 50 points. Super easy to get to me. Just get it done, get it in. We have a discussion board post right now. It's what makes this a technical document. Get on there, Post according to the directions, and make sure that you're citing the chapters that you should be reading, chapters 1, 2, and 3, and then you're going to have a quiz. And this is a very typical week for us, so there's a lot to do. Don't slack off. Independent work. So you have 6 independent assignments. There's styles document, flyer, paper airplane instructions, which is the one we'll be collaborating with the face-to-face class on, job application materials, evaluations, and then correspondence editing. All of these will be done independently. The 2 major group assignments are going to be an informative report and an oral presentation. Those are at the end of the semester. You'll have plenty of warning, and we will work together to make sure everyone is in sync with each other. Blackboard is super important. I actually will go over Blackboard in another video, so just be aware that that's our main mode of communication, and it's where you'll be doing all your work. The technology and apps that I want you to have access to are Google Apps. You can use Google Docs to collaborate. You can use Google Slides to build your presentation, but you cannot use Google Docs to submit your assignments. So just a heads up there, don't submit anything through Google Docs. LinkedIn. We will be working on your LinkedIn profile for your job application materials assignment. So if you don't have a LinkedIn, this will be a great opportunity for you to get one and get it ready. Pinterest. I will be using Pinterest for an assignment. It is not required that you have Pinterest, but if you do have it, it'll make that much easier. And YouTube. All of our videos will be uploaded to YouTube. We will have a channel, so just be aware that that is available to you. Any questions, please contact me at my email or log into my Hangout during virtual hours. I look forward to working with all of you.